Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we will talk about one and only credit cards. We will see is it halal or haram and how they works, how to use it wisely, and most importantly how you can earn money from the credit card. We will see the benefits of the credit cards and what are the traps that are included in the card section, how the banks trap you in the debt, and we will see how this card can be used wisely. So let's start. This is Finance by Books Bracket. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. First question is this credit card is halal or haram? The first thing, credit card contains interest, so it is obviously haram. It is prohibited. But there is a little secret, a bypass way. If you pay the loan on time, your bill will not be interest. It is interest free. So this is the secret. But some scholars says because the contract itself is with interest, so it is not halal. It is haram. So use it on your own risk. If you have the credit card, this video will benefit you. If you don't have the credit card, I won't recommend you to get the credit card because of interest. But if you can control your expenses, you can bypass the haram interest. So second question is how credit card works. It works, company gives you a loan. Actually, the bank, the credit card you have, it gives you a loan for a specific date. For example, you use credit card on 23rd of June. If your credit month is 15 June to 15 July, you have interest-free loan till 5 of August. So this is if you pay the loan before 5 August, you will not get any interest. So this is the shortcut way I was telling, bypass that you won't pay the interest. But as the contract is haram, so I will not recommend it in that case. Second thing, if you pay the loan on time, then there is no interest. Otherwise, there will be 30 to 40% per annum interest. That is insane. Your house interest is 8 to 10%, car interest 12 to 15%, but 30 to 40%, it is insane. There is one trap. It is called the minimum payment in credit card. They say you pay the minimum payment and your credit card will be working. This is the financial trap. The amount you paid is interest free. The amount balance will be charged on 40% or 35%, whatever it is written in the policy. So beware of that. Now the disadvantages. First disadvantage is interest. It is prohibited. The interest rates are insanely high and there is a debt trap. If you stuck in the trap, it will cost you very high. So in financial freedom, first thing you do to get out of this debt trap from credit cards, because they are very high interest rate. Now you have the disadvantages and the question how you can use it wisely. First and only rule, always pay your credit card bill in full and on time. And beware of the minimum payment. You don't pay the minimum payment, pay in full. This is the main rule you have to follow to use the credit card wisely. Now we will discuss our benefits. There are a lot of benefits credit card companies give you, like they give you credit score, which in turn will benefit you if you want to take a loan from the bank, and it will help you to get many discounts on many outlets. For example, if you go for a shopping, some credit cards give you the benefit 20%, 30% off on specific outlets. So these are the benefits. There are specific lounges in airport that can help you out. Now our last question and the most important question you are waiting for, how we can earn money from the credit card. I told you credit card has the debt trap and you can loan the money from it, but there is one way you can get halal money from credit card. Disclaimer, I am not recommending to use credit card directly without consenting from the scholars or your preferred ulamas that you will not pay the interest, you will pay the loan on time. Then if you get the allowance and fatwa that you can use, then you can go ahead with that. So the trick is, for example, you have 100,000 limit of credit card. You spend the money which you have with you, 100,000, on anything. You purchase anything from the credit card. For example, you purchase your groceries and other home items in 100,000. Now, this 100,000 you have to pay to the bank. You have 30 days or 45 days, depending upon the date, or your credit card policies to pay up without interest. So, what you can do, for example, you have purchased the groceries on 16th of June, and your term is 16 June to 15 July, and you have to pay this on 5th of August. So on 16 June, you use 100,000 rupees, and you have balance 45 days, around 40 days to pay off the loan. You must have this money 100,000 that you paid for the items. This 100,000 you put in any mutual fund, low risk mutual fund. Beware, don't go for equities or high risk items, otherwise you can lose your capital. Go for low risk money market mutual fund, Islamic mutual fund. If you go prefer for halal, well, sure, you must prefer halal. So go for Islamic mutual funds and money market funds. That way you can get 1% return, 2% return, at least maybe you can get 1,000, 1,500 rupees on 1 month basis. So, but this is not a lot, but this is free money. You cannot say no to the free money. So, what you do, you put this money in 16 June in mutual fund, and you can take around 1,500, 1,200, whatever. You can take around 1,500, 1,200, 1,400, whatever the return is for 1 month, and you take out the money on 30th of July and pay your credit card debt. So there will be no interest, and you have already made money from it. So this is the trick you can use to make money from the credit card, and there are a lot of benefits for credit cards. They provide, because they are giving you the loan and they are putting you in a trap. They want to trap you because this is how banks earn money. How to use wisely? I will repeat: pay in full, pay on time, and don't use the money in credit card you don't have in cash. So this is the main thing, and you can use that cash to put in any investment fund or any investment and get a good return. If you can trust any more very good investment, for example, you had a project and you have 40-50% return on it, and it can give you money back in 15 days, 20 days, you can do that also. For example, if you have a company that do the trading, what you can do, and you have a project for 100,000 that you can getting money in 120,000, so you can use this credit card money 100,000 in this project and deliver the item, get the money back. Once you get the money back, pay back the money. But the main thing is you should get the money before time. This is another option you can put in any other. So this is the today's video. Please give me your feedback, how you like it, and please comment your questions, like the video, subscribe the channel. Till the next video, thank you very much. Goodbye.